I'm going to share with you 9 amazing health benefits of guava leaves that might just surprise you, and how you can easily incorporate them into your routine. When it comes to health, we often focus on the latest trends and fad diets, overlooking the natural remedies that have been right in front of us all along. Guava leaves, for instance, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and yet many of us are still unaware of their incredible benefits. In recent years, there's been a growing interest in natural health alternatives, and it's no surprise why. With the rising costs of healthcare and the increasing awareness of the importance of preventative care, people are looking for ways to take control of their health. But where do you start? Number 9. Rich in antioxidants, guava leaves have garnered attention for their impressive health benefits, particularly in regulating blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or seeking to maintain stable blood sugar, guava leaves can be a game changer. The leaves contain compounds that inhibit the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, which can help prevent spikes in blood glucose. This property not only supports individuals with diabetes, but also promotes overall metabolic health, making it a worthwhile addition to a balanced diet. Number 8. Improves metabolism. Speaking of metabolism, guava leaves may also play a role in boosting metabolic rates. When your metabolism is functioning well, your body efficiently converts food into energy, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and supporting physical activity. By incorporating guava leaves into your daily routine, whether through a soothing tea or as a supplement, you might find that your energy levels improve, helping you feel more active and vibrant throughout the day. Number 8. Improve skin tone. Guava leaves are not just a boon for internal health, they can also work wonders for your skin. If you're looking to improve your skin tone, incorporating guava leaves into your skincare routine might be worth considering. The leaves are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help brighten your complexion and even out skin tone. Some people find that using guava leaf extracts or teas can lead to a clearer and more radiant appearance, giving the skin a natural glow. Number 7. Anxiety and stress. On the mental health front, guava leaves may also be helpful in managing anxiety and stress. The calming effects of guava leaf tea can create a soothing ritual that helps you unwind after a long day. Nito. Sipping on this warm beverage not only provides comfort, but may also promote relaxation and improve your overall mood. So, whether you're looking to enhance your skin or find a little peace of mind, guava leaves could be a delightful addition to your wellness routine. Number 6. Anti-cancer guava. Leaves have been making waves for their potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in these leaves might help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, offering a natural way to bolster your body's defenses. While research is still ongoing, incorporating guava leaves into your routine could be a proactive step in promoting overall health and wellness. Number 5. Supports digestive health. When it comes to digestive health, guava leaves are equally impressive. Many people find that these leaves can aid in digestion, helping to alleviate issues like bloating and discomfort. The natural compounds in guava leaves may also help maintain gut health, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. So, whether you're sipping guava leaf tea or using it in cooking, you're not just enjoying a delicious addition to your meals, you're also supporting your digestive system in a tasty way. Number 4. Aids in menstrual health. Guava leaves can be particularly helpful for menstrual health, offering a natural way to alleviate some common discomforts. Many women find that drinking guava leaf tea during their menstrual cycle can help ease cramps and reduce bloating. The anti-inflammatory properties in the leaves may play a role in this relief, making it a soothing option during that time of the month. Number 3. Improves oral health. When it comes to oral health, guava leaves shine in a different way. Their antimicrobial qualities make them a valuable ally in maintaining a healthy mouth. Some people use guava leaf extracts or rinses to help combat bad breath and fight off gum disease. This makes guava leaves not only a beneficial addition to your diet, but also a simple, natural way to care for your oral hygiene. So, whether you're looking to ease menstrual discomfort or improve your dental health, guava leaves could be a great fit for your wellness routine. Number 2. Supports liver health. Guava leaves can be a fantastic addition to your wellness routine, especially when it comes to supporting liver health. The antioxidants found in these leaves may help reduce oxidative stress in the liver, which is crucial for its overall function. Regularly incorporating guava leaves into your diet, perhaps through tea or extracts, might just give your liver the boost it needs to process toxins more efficiently. Number 1. May combat allergies. In addition to liver support, guava leaves might also be beneficial for those struggling with allergies. The anti-inflammatory properties present in the leaves can help alleviate some of the symptoms associated with allergic reactions. Sipping on guava leaf tea during allergy season could provide some relief, helping you feel more comfortable and at ease. So, whether you're looking to care for your liver or find some relief from pesky allergies, guava leaves could be a helpful ally in your health journey. When discussing the health benefits of guava leaves, it's important to ground your claims in scientific research. For instance, several studies have explored the potential of guava leaves to regulate blood sugar levels. Research published in journals focused on diabetes management indicates that guava leaf extracts can inhibit certain enzymes that convert starch into sugar. This suggests that incorporating guava leaves into one's diet might help those with diabetes maintain more stable blood sugar levels. In addition, the anti-inflammatory properties of guava leaves have been documented in scientific literature. A study featured in a health and nutrition journal found that the antioxidants present in guava leaves, such as quercetin, play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress. This reduction is significant, as oxidative stress is linked to various chronic diseases, including liver damage and certain types of cancer. By highlighting these findings, you can demonstrate the tangible benefits of guava leaves, giving your audience a clearer understanding of how this natural remedy is supported by research. Moreover, there is ongoing research into the effectiveness of guava leaves in combating allergies. Preliminary studies suggest that the leaves may have antihistamine properties, which could provide relief for individuals dealing with seasonal allergies. By referencing these studies, you lend credibility to the idea that guava leaves might be a viable option for natural allergy relief. Potential side effects. While guava leaves are packed with amazing health benefits, it's important to use them wisely. Most people can enjoy them without any issues, but it's good to keep an eye on how much you're consuming. For example, eating too many guava leaves might lead to some digestive discomfort. Think nausea or an upset stomach. If you have any health conditions or take specific medications, it's always a smart move to check in with a healthcare professional before adding guava leaves to your routine. This is especially true for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as we don't have a lot of research on how guava leaves might affect pregnancy. Remember, moderation is key. Think of guava leaves as a delightful addition to a balanced diet rather than a miracle cure. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating guava leaves into your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. And if you have any experiences with guava leaves, leave them in the comments below. You can also check out my other video that talks about the best vitamin to reduce swelling in feet and legs. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and like this video. Remember to turn on the notification bell.